We'll guide you through how to invite your friends to follow your Facebook page. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook, and so you want to invite your friends to go and follow a Facebook page. We're going to guide you through this step by step on how it can be done. Perhaps you've just launched a new page for a business and you want people to go and follow it so they can go and see what you post, etc. So make sure it's full guide and you don't skip anything, as you may go and miss an important part. So to go and get started, what we need to do is we need to come to the top left of Facebook and go and press on the three lines to open up this side panel of options. Now we need to go and find the page. So I'm doing this with my own pages, so I'll press see more and you can scroll down and find pages. For me, it's right at the top, so we can tap there. Then you can go and tap on the page you want to do this with. It's going to say about switching it, but you don't want to do that. So just tap off of it, press the three dots in the top right, go and press invite friends, and you can then select them all or just select the ones you want and press send invitations at the bottom.